Welcome to the REW podcast, and this is a special episode where we're going to discuss Roman Reigns and his future bookings. Okay, तो रुशिल मुझे सबसे पहले जानना है what was the Roman Reigns return like for you?
भाई इट वाज मतलब मैजिकल भाई मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठा हूँ सुबह सुबह एकदम अर्ली मॉर्निंग हम लोग लिटरली ऐसा फिंगर्स क्रॉस ऐसा लेग्स क्रॉस ऐसे करके रखे हैं, ऐसा मुंह सब ऐसा छुपा के रखा है. फिर बाद में एक एक करके आ रहा है, रैंडी ऑर्टन, केविन ओवन, सबका एंट्री हो रहा है. बट द मैन वी वर वेटिंग फॉर ही डिड नॉट अराइव. तो हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं अब आएगा. पर फिर बाद में फाइनली ही वॉज बैक विथ हिज रेसलमेनिया थीम. भाई
Okay, so I was watching this alone in bed, वो कोने में बैठ के because I couldn't yell and my parents didn't know I was awake. तो actually में it was a very beautiful moment for me as well. Roman Reigns returning काफ़ी special था in the sense कि now so many storylines are gonna get an opportunity because of this. And जितना flawlessly they have executed that. Roman Reigns आया, he wasn't even listening to anything. He was so laser focused कि भाई आज तो मैं तेरे को मारूंगा, आज तो मैं आऊंगा, आज मैं बताऊंगा.
And did you notice Solo's reaction? भाई he was literally exactly भाई
मतलब
फटके चार हो गई थी भाई बंदे की.
I like that. You know, once you go back and watch all the clips, you see him sitting like a child. No, चिल्ला रहा है वो, and it's just like wow. Like I guess.
Just like Roman shouted at Money in the Bank when he was pinned.
Yeah, like it was much worse than that. Solo is not.
Literally Jacob उसकी मम्मी की तरह उसको सहला रहा है. हाँ ठीक है, कोई नहीं
भाई, चौके चलता है भाई, पहला ही डिफेंस आ रहा है, कोई नहीं भाई, हम आएंगे ना भाई, तो क्या टेंशन ले रहा है. Like legit, I swear to God, the new bloodline has not been good for SmackDown at all. I guess this is not a क्या बोलते हैं?
Should we even call it a bloodline?
It is a bloodline. It is bloodline 2.0. Which is I think it's a similar comparison you could make, na? It is like Robo and then Robo 2.0. So that's exactly what it feels like. If Roman Reigns is Robo, this one is Robo.
Obviously.
Yeah. But I will say, okay, Roman Reigns returning was special. It was historic. The crowd was insane. I guess crowd who was watching घर पे बैठ के भी they were also insane. ठीक है?
Me too.
हाँ, he was तो definitely.
मैं तो इतना चिल्ला रहा था भाई पूरा टाइम.
मैं अंदर से इंसेन था. Like वो आप imagine कर लीजिए अभी कैसे था. I couldn't yell, I couldn't scream. I was just happy. I was just smiling. And I would say कि this opens door for so many more storylines. What do you think your War Games lineup is going to be for the good bloodline?
Before coming to the lineup, I just want to talk about the new bloodline members who are gonna get
the
included.
New signees, right? Yeah.
So ऐसा सुनने में आया, there are speculations, there are hard speculations कि अपने Dave Meltzer चीचा जो बोलते हैं कि Hiku Leo is the one who is been signed and he is gonna go with the bad bloodline, and Zilla Fatu will be the one who will be teaming up with the good bloodline.
Yeah.
So I think Zilla Fatu is Jacob Fatu's brother, ऐसा ही कुछ तो सीन है. So ये अगर ऐसा टीम बन गया ना, if we are ruling Sami Zayn out, we can have Zilla Fatu instead of in place of him. So good bloodline में होगा. For the War Games will be Roman Reigns, Jimmy and Jay, and Zilla Fatu. And अगर 5-on-5 War Games हो रहा है तो obviously Sami Zayn. And उधर उस bloodline की बात करें, Solo Sikoa, Tanga Loa, Tama Tonga and Jacob Fatu, उसको कैसे भूल सकते हैं यार. And if the fifth member counts in, so I think Hiku Leo will be the fifth one.
Yeah. I feel
it's gonna be a banger match, bhai.
The bloodline storyline is again gonna have a resurgence with the actual bloodline member being there. So I would only think that in a way the new signees of the bloodline have to look way more stronger than the current version of.
Actually,
I guess after the recent episode of SmackDown, the review is out by the way, you should check that out. कि they are now looking strong. Roman पहली बार पिट चुका है, actually royally पिट चुका है, which is very rare in the WWE sightings. But I would also
अब धीरे धीरे करके सब bloodline के दूसरे लोग आ जाएंगे रोमन के साथ.
Yeah. So I honestly, the thing is that I feel Tama Tonga or Tanga Loa has been watching so much recently. He's a straight up meme out of a fucking cartoon, okay? It's entertaining to watch, but it's straight up embarrassing. So I do have a strong feeling where I feel Tanga Loa could be a manager kind of a role. You'll have all of the new bloodline on the other side, and I guess Kevin Owens also joins in the fight with the new bloodline. Because to me, it's such a much more emotional thing that Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn, Randy बोल रहा हूँ. Kevin Owens, Sami Zayn, Roman Reigns, and the Usos. That's an amazing lineup. In my sense, I guess if it's in Vancouver, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna have Canada's pros prize people there. You could have Kevin Owens in a mid-card title feud, but again he's gonna lose there. But I don't want Kevin to lose anymore. So I would like to see this. It's a fantasy booking at this. I guess Rushel's booking makes way more sense than it does. Zilla Fatu, if you've seen the clips on the internet, अगर आपने उसका performances देखा है, वो काफी Roman Reigns vibes देता है.
He's actually hard hitting.
He's very compelling. He's very bright. He's such a natural.
For that matter, जब SummerSlam हुआ था Cleveland में, Zilla Fatu was actually at वो time पे he was actually in Cleveland.
Yeah, and I feel Zilla Fatu has such an amazing presence. Like if you just Google him and you should watch him, right? He has short spike hair and whatever or something, like even without the long hair, the वो Umaga का जो feel आता है ना, you can see it, but he doesn't remind you of Umaga. You just know that some part of it is there. He has his own presence.
Jacob Fatu has got a great opponent.
Umaga, dude. Yeah, like I guess Zilla Fatu versus Jacob Fatu is gonna be such a. It's gonna be like a SmackDown or a PLE match, but damn, I will be there first day, bro. Because these two are immaculate performers that they have signed.
So just tell me, अभी अब getting back to Roman Reigns का thing, what do you think? Should Roman win back the undisputed championship again? क्योंकि Roman has already hinted during his SummerSlam return he is coming for that championship once he gets rid of the Bloodline story.
Yeah, no, I don't want Bloodline story to have the world championship anymore. The simple reason being, I guess the Bloodline storyline championship is the Ula Fala. Okay?
Actually, yes.
I think that is the champion, and you should not water down the value of that symbol for their family with a championship. Because I guess WWE is very good and very careful with cultures these days. Sometimes they are very racially insensitive कि भाई मैक्सिकन लोग हैं सबको साथ में खड़ा करो, यही करो, काले लोग हैं उनको साथ में यहाँ करो, सफ़ेद लोग हैं उनको साथ में यहाँ करो, ब्रिटिश लोग हैं उनको साथ में यहाँ करो, आयरिश लोग हैं उनको साथ. So they are very restrictive that, like, you know, they are very conservative wise. I guess Samoans के साथ special treatment मिल ही जाता है if you are like the pioneering families of industry, why not? But they have done a very good job उस culture को maintain करने के लिए.
Yeah.
And I guess as Indians we know how culture is important for us. So Ula Fala itself looks like such a good champion, not a championship but it's a symbol. So fighting for that symbol is like much more entertaining than having a championship for the sake of
Literally Ula Fala अपना SmackDown में पिछले SmackDown में रोमन के हाथ आते आते निकल गया.
और इस SmackDown में literally he wears it और भाई जेकब फाटू उसको
Yeah.
फोड़ देता है. तो उसका हाथ भी कैसे लगाया यार? Like this is the level of importance I expect.
We never imagined Jacob Fatu would return so soon.
Yeah, no, I was 100% sure that was a fake injury. Like I knew that he was hurt. Like there was definitely reports that he was hurt. And
he was actually wearing the boot.
Yeah, he was wearing the boot while he was performing. But I knew that Jacob Fatu had to show up at least this week or next week, because if Roman keeps on dominating stuff, then Bloodline is dead. Like I don't even think you can reach Bash in Berlin without you looking serious, which is insane in my opinion.
So एक line बता, when do you want to see Roman as a champion?
I don't want to see Roman as a champion until Rock versus Roman. At least उतने time तक तो I want this to be a family feud.
So nearly a year.
Not nearly a year. I would say till WrestleMania, which is in April, which is what, 1, 2, 3,
8
5,
months.
8 months. 8 months. So yeah, 8 months is a long time, but I would say that Cody Rhodes championship reign will have that kind of, okay, my comic book is great job. So I will just leave this in. मेरा luck अच्छा ही जा रहा है अभी. Okay, so the thing is that I want Cody Rhodes to have a good title.
Yeah.
And you know, I want him to have a legacy. जो उसका story we have tried to decide, I want that to be cemented in the record books as well, because I don't want this कि मतलब हाँ वो you had an amazing story and then within 6 or 8 months you lose it. So I want this to be a year long.
But ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि रोमन जब चैंपियनशिप तक जा रहा है तब तक कोडी के पास वो चैंपियनशिप हो ही ना.
But I don't think he has to win from Cody Rhodes. The thing is that Roman.
Because Roman and Cody were actually staring at each other during his return.
I think they're gonna have a match, but Roman's gonna lose. But I don't think Roman should win against Cody and get the championship. I think Cody should lose to a proper, like, new guy. He shouldn't lose to a legend. Like Cody Rhodes' entire thing was that he is the new guy. He is the outside of the box guy. He is the undesirable who's now undeniable.
Yeah.
I think he should lose to, I would say, someone like Carmelo Hayes.
Who?
I genuinely want. Okay,
What?
I'm saying that is the realm I'm thinking. Like it should be a new person who wins it.
Yeah.
Somebody who we want to see a champion again, और जो उसको career में भी मदद करेगा यार. Like I think Seth Rollins lost to Drew, and then Drew was cashed in by Damian. But I think then technically the shift was Seth Rollins, and then we got Damian Priest. So Damian Priest को उतना build भी नहीं किया था, and yet he became such a good champion, better than Cody.
Okay.
Right. So I feel Cody Rhodes should have that. But I guess coming back to the bloodline thing.
So before Rock versus Roman, we all know भाई कभी ना कभी तो होना ही है
हाँ,
match.
Rock versus Roman.
Before Rock versus Roman's match and after Roman and the fake bloodlines thing,
Yeah.
बीच में whom do you want to see Roman competing against?
Okay, the thing that the mid card, no, not mid card feuds. I guess
Yeah.
the mid season feuds जब हम बोलेंगे कि it just sort bloodline oversaturate now.
थोड़ा SummerSlam के around, थोड़ा
SummerSlam
Hell in a
के
Cell के
around.
around.
I would say, okay, I think I said this in the previous recording as well. CM Punk, heel CM Punk
Oh,
versus
भाई.
babyface Roman Reigns. Okay, I don't know how they
We
do
all know कि ये match भी होना ही है.
Yes, exactly. The thing is that once Rock versus Roman happens, there's going to be a superstar shake-up. I guess bloodline will not be a thing anymore. I guess that's another video.
Yeah,
हमारे सबकी
yeah.
bloodline WrestleMania के बाद कुछ होना भी चाहिए या नहीं. But I guess in that draft, we're either going to see CM Punk on SmackDown or Roman on Raw. But I think we need those two in one brand because that's such a fantasy booking as well. And we are yet to see heel CM Punk. वो लो लिच्चड़ आदमी है ना heel CM Punk भाई. तुम जाके क्लिप्स देखो वो हरामखोर को देखना है मुझे कसम से बिकॉज रोमन इज बीइंग अ ग्रेट बेबी फेस मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता कि रोमन रेंज को अभी विलन बनने की जरूरत है ही इज ऑलरेडी लव नाउ वो पहुंच चुका है
4 साल बन चुका है विलन काफी अभी थोड़ा बेबी फेस
नाउ ही नीड्स टू बी द हीरो
बट आई हैव another opponent
या
his part time his मतलब पुराना ब्रदर सेथ रॉलिंस भाई सेथ रॉलिंस और रोमन का एक बहुत बड़ा अनफिनिश्ड बिजनेस रहा है 2 साल पहले रॉयल रंबल में वेयर रोमन वाज नॉट ही डिड नॉट विन अ मैच क्लीन
टेक्निकली ये रोमन रेंज हैज नेवर पिन्ड सेथ रॉलिंस क्लीन दैट्स द स्टोरी ऑफ इट राइट मतलब कि he has never been able to defeat him one on one.
And you are a Seth Rollins
I am
fan.
a Seth Rollins fan.
I am a Roman Reigns fan.
Yeah, okay. The thing is, the reason I don't want a Seth Rollins versus Roman Reigns itna jaldi is because if when you're talking about having Seth and Roman.
Because just let me remind you, Seth is on his verge of a heel turn. मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को. Yes.
Okay. Maybe.
Seth is मतलब अभी वो he is on a break currently. जब Bronson Reed ने धो दिया था भाई उसको.
Oh, that's a different case.
So I think Seth Rollins will be back as a heel and Roman will be as a top baby face.
Yeah.
So this will probably set up the match.
I want that to happen because
Yeah.
I want CM Punk and Seth Rollins because it's like both the ideas, it presents Roman Reigns in a babyface version that we genuinely wanted. I guess the big dog is not the one I wanted. Okay, that was a babyface that was corporately pushed मेरे हिसाब से तो और मैं तो कभी पसंद नहीं करता था वो चीज़ें. But now it has worked. He is loved, he's a babyface, he's a hero, he's the top guy. You're gonna have opponents, you're gonna have like proper villains against him. You can't have the respect versus respect thing with Roman Reigns. Cody Rhodes के साथ चलता है because Cody Rhodes can have a heel versus face, heel versus heel, and his character works. He's a vessel for other people to also improve. That's what I love about Cody Rhodes is that anyone can have a good match against him and anyone could actually thrive in his environment because he lets people do his thing while being the same Cody Rhodes that we all love and support and everything.
Yeah.
Roman Reigns का aura इतना strong है ना that you have to be opposing. You can't be accepting. मतलब फिर तो तुम उसकी चाटी लो ना फिर क्या करोगे? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि Roman Reigns needs villains and I guess CM Punk and Seth Rollins are like the perfect villains मेरे हिसाब से.
So मेरे को ये भी पूछना था कि वीडियो में स्टार्टिंग में वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वॉर गेम्स वाला मैच. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जब ये वॉर गेम्स वाला मैच होगा ना आफ्टर द मैच we are gonna hear the most awaited music, the Rock का electrifying music. I think तब एकदम सामने आएगा कि बैड ब्लड लाइन का जो हेड था अब तक जो भी काम करतूत कर रहा था वो रॉक था.
वही I honestly feel कि
And that will lead to Rock versus Roman.
yeah, and I genuinely want Rock versus Roman to be a WrestleMania match. But मुझे एक बात का ये डर है कि I don't know कि if Dwayne Johnson is ready to lose a match at this point. Do you think that okay, this is a fear. This is an irrational fear. Dwayne Johnson doesn't like to lose. That's a proper fact कि Dwayne Johnson doesn't want to lose. But I have an irrational fear कि he wouldn't want to lose at WrestleMania. Because even the original pitch of him going to WrestleMania और Cody Rhodes को challenge करने का कि मतलब not Cody Rhodes, Roman Reigns को challenge करने का कि मैं Roman Reigns को हराऊंगा and I will defeat his reign. He genuinely wanted to be a champion at WrestleMania. Like जो भी Cody Rhodes का बिल था सब भाड़ में जाए, मुझे champion बनना है. And that's why we all hated him.
Yeah.
Just imagine the ego that this dude has कि इसको लगता है कि वो बीच में आएगा, सब मुझे पसंद करते ही हैं and we'll just let 2 years का storyline down the drain. Do you think that Rock versus Roman is gonna happen and you like I generally am scared कि Roman जीतेगा कि नहीं जीतेगा? Like I guess you're
Roman को
succeeding.
जीतना पड़ेगा.
He has to win, right? Like he
अगर
has to,
अगर
right?
if there's a need for the bloodline to end अच्छे से,
Yeah.
Roman needs to win.
Roman needs to win.
Roman
Like,
will be the only guy closing the chapter of bloodline.
yeah, and I genuinely don't want this to be another year-long feud. Because Dwayne Johnson has it in himself, okay?
Yeah.
John Cena versus Dwayne Johnson was supposed to be a once-in-a-lifetime match, which happened twice. It still doesn't bode well with me. Like, why would you have the same main event twice? Or like
Correct.
the same match twice? If you're calling it once in a lifetime, keep it once in a lifetime.
Yeah.
Like, Hogan versus Rock was a monumental moment for a lot of millennials. But according to statistics, Hulk Hogan has had more televised match than Dwayne Johnson. क्या passing on torch क्या भाई? Then you again had the same thing with John Cena and Dwayne Johnson. उसके बाद ठीक है, वहाँ पर तो actual passing on था. John Cena actually did a lot more matches. He had an amazing US title run. He elevated so many stars. वो भी Hollywood आया and fine, ठीक है. But The Rock versus Roman is the end of an era.
Yeah.
It is also the biggest fight in professional wrestling.
If we need to see Roman Reigns claiming himself as the certified tribal chief, he needs to
defeat
beat
The
Rock.
He has to defeat The Rock.
मतलब anyhow.
And I guess यार परिवार ही समझ के भाई समझ के
भले
हारता है यार.
भले clean because we all know भाई clean match तो नहीं होगा ये.
Clean match नहीं. Dwayne Johnson is
पूरा-
gonna find a
पूरा
way.
परिवार आ जाएगा मारने के लिए.
It's gonna be a bloodline rules match.
And do you think because of the Usos, Rikishi would step in?
I don't want Rikishi to step in. Okay, I kind of am. I don't know. Like I don't think any more old bloodline members are gonna do anything with that. But yeah, I feel कि at this point, I just want the entire cast with Zilla Fatu and Hiko Leo and just run it with this. Don't add any more. I guess Alpha and Sika had did a great contribution already. Even just being there and now they have passed. Rest in peace.
So just a quick question: are you seeing Roman defeat The Rock at the next WrestleMania?
I want to, yes, but I'm scared it might not happen. Like it's such an irrational fear that I have with WWE that when it comes to these top level matches,
Plus,
they could get screwed.
Plus, if we talk about Rock's favor, he has a good icing on the cake that he is the BOD, board of director.
Yeah, the influence is gonna run crazy. Yeah,
क्योंकि
I
वो
guess-
ट्रिपल एच का सुनेगा नहीं,
Yeah.
वो खुद का ही करेगा.
and like unless we don't say anything, Dwayne Johnson is not gonna do anything. So this is a very interesting film. Roman Reigns has included so many things. Like I guess हम रोमन के बारे में ही बात करने के चक्कर में we have spoke about 5 or 6 avenues जहाँ पर ये story जा सकता है. So I guess with that we should end today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe guys.
And do hit the bell icon.
Please do hit the bell icon. Comment down below what's another superstar you would like us to talk about. And this was our weekly episode. So good night. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.